Hi, welcome to another walkthrough video. I'm Grace, and in this series, we are looking into the essential features of meta ads. So last month, we talked about the different types of audiences you can target, but once you know who you're reaching, the next big question is where your ads are actually being seen. Do you ever worry about your professional business ad showing up next to a controversial news story or a low quality prank? Today, I'm showing you the brand safety dashboard. It's a critical feature that protects your reputation by giving you a total control over your ad placements. By the end of this video, you'll know how to keep your brand in high quality spaces and away from irrelevant areas of the web. First, let's head to the command center for your brand's reputation. So open your Meta Ads Manager and look at the sidebar on the far left and then click All Tools. That takes you here under Manage, click on Brand Safety and Suitability. You'll be taken to the dashboard where we have options to configure. First one is Overview. So this is the Brand Suitability Control dashboard, and the feature is Inventory Filter Settings. So think of it as your global shield. It offers three tiers of protection under in-content ads and audience network ads. So first one is expanded. So this gives you a maximum reach, but your ads might land near sensitive or unvetted content. Next one is moderate. So moderate is a good balance for most businesses by filtering out the most sensitive material. Next one is limited. So this is for sensitive brands because it excludes live videos or any content that's a bit edgy. Say, for example, if you're a law firm or a children's brand, this might be the best option for you. All right, so let's scroll a bit down. You have the block list settings. Now this shows us 0 because we haven't added any page or website to block. Now let's click on Publisher Block List. That will take you to this section, and you have two options to configure. You can search for the page or websites that you want to block, or if you have an existing list, you can click on Create Publisher Block List, and that will take you to this section where you can upload a TXT or CSV file and contains Facebook page URLs, Instagram URLs, or websites to block. So next we have partner publisher list, where you can choose from different monetized publishers. So we have two placement types here. We can have a look at the list under Facebook Instagram Reels, and then you can take the publishers that you want to block, take this one, and add to publisher block list. And let's have a look at the audience network there. So you can also add it to your block list. So once you've done the partner publisher list, you have also done the publisher block list with the pages and websites. You can now go to controls and review and adjust your settings. Once you're happy with the settings that you've set, you can have a look at the delivery reports. Once your campaigns are running, this four sections should be available for you to have a look at the ads, where your ads appear, or the number of impressions and other metrics. So now your inventory filter settings is done and your block list is active. I would say your brand reputation is now fully protected. That's it. If you found this walkthrough video helpful, make sure to check out other Web Wonks training videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.